What's up, y'all? This is your boy Rene Ortega, and today we're gonna talk about the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Basically, pretty much, if you have an iPhone, just get yourself a cable, like a charger. I'm pretty sure you have plenty at your house. Get your charger, get your cable, just connect it to your phone, and then whenever you look at your screen, the Apple CarPlay is gonna become green, and all you gotta do is press it. And look at that! From your phone to your truck to the screen, you can look at your maps. You can look at your GPS. That's cool. That's so cool. Look at that! You can go search. You can go here, put your address there. Especially if